Inside this facility, waste umbrellas are transformed into stylish bags. A complete transformation. Thousands of discarded umbrellas are transformed here daily.
Millions of broken umbrellas are thrown away every year.
Most discarded umbrellas end up in landfills.
The recycling process begins with collection. Every umbrella contains metal, plastic, and waterproof fabric.
Automation improves efficiency.
Plastic parts are recycled separately.
Waterproof fabric becomes the key recycled material.
The metal frame is removed first.
Materials must be separated carefully.
Steel components are recovered.
The waterproof fabric is sorted by color.
Cleaning removes dirt and contaminants.
Years of wear are washed away.
The material is dried completely.
Only high-quality material moves forward.
The fabric remains highly durable. Modern software guides production.
The next stage focuses on design.
Precise patterns reduce waste.
Preparation improves efficiency. Precision cutting begins.
Each piece becomes part of a fashion bag. Hardware is organized before assembly.
Additional components are prepared.
Assembly begins.
Functional features are added.
Craftsmanship elevates the material.
Simple waste becomes stylish fashion.
Strong stitching ensures durability.
But the materials inside still hold value.
The closure system is installed. The design begins to emerge.
Strength standards are verified.
Versatility expands the collection.
Carrying strength is tested.
product receives its identity.
Quality control is essential.
Orders are prepared worldwide.
Inventory awaits shipment. Distribution logistics begin.
The products leave the factory.
The recycled material remains waterproof.
The material retains its strength.
Creative design gives waste a second life. Recycled fashion can feel premium. Fashion meets functionality.
The bags are designed for everyday use.
The final products look nothing like waste.
From broken umbrellas to modern fashion accessories. From broken umbrellas to modern fashion accessories.
Subscribe for more hidden recycling factories and industrial transformation.